So, as you can probably tell, I got some fun yarn mail the other day. So I wanted to unbox it and share a little bit about it with you guys. So I have been working with Knitcrate. I worked with them last month and this month, and I'll do one more after this. And last month was just their Knitcrate normal monthly membership. And this month they also sent me their sockcrate to try. So I'll tell you the difference between them. So Knitcrate is a monthly yarn subscription service. You can pick between their different crates. So they've got Knitcrate, sockcrate, artisan crate, and sock artisan crate. But I'm only going to talk about Knitcrate and sockcrate. So you get a box or a bag each month filled with yarn, and it's kind of a surprise. So I think you might get a little bit of a sneak peek in an email. I'm not positive about that, but it's a surprise. So you don't get to choose what color you get that month. It's just like it shows up at your door and you get to open it and it's a complete surprise. So this month, oh my gosh. Look at it. I mean, it's just this gorgeous, like, marled color. I mean, come on. I love it. I absolutely love it. So the Knitcrate box comes with 2 skeins of premium yarn, and then it also comes with 2 patterns. So you get a crochet pattern, and then you also get a knit pattern. And I'm obsessed with this. Look at it. I am definitely gonna cast this on. So you get links to download both of these patterns if you want them. So each pattern is worth $5, so you get $10 worth of patterns, in addition to 2 skeins of really nice yarn. So, oh my gosh, I'm not gonna be able to pronounce this. Is that French? La Brebis? I don't know how to say that, but really nice yarn. So the colorway is called Gray Twist, and it's a fingering weight yarn. So it's 40% Peruvian Highland wool and 20% nylon, and you get 437 yards per skein. So it also says that these yarns are naturally colored. So I know that a lot of people are interested in natural dyeing and stuff like that. So you get that with both of these yarns, and they're soft. They are really soft. I love it. I cannot wait to make this pattern. Oh, it's gonna have an amazing drape. I can already tell. So this is the Knitcrate. It's $24.99, but everything together is a value of like $63, but you get it for $24.99 a month. Shipping is free, so that is included in that. And I will have a coupon code if you're interested. I'll put it right here. That gives you 20% off your first month. So the theme this month was contemporary, and it's the same theme for the Knitcrate and the sockcrate. So I think that the colors seem to go really well with that theme. And now I'll show you the sockcrate. I'm really excited about this one. Since starting a podcast, I've actually become kind of obsessed with sock knitting. It's really, really fun, and watching other people's podcasts just makes me want to knit them all the time. So the sockcrate, it's called Audine Wools, and they dye this yarn exclusively for Knitcrate. So look at that color. It's kind of like a purplish blue, or like a periwinkle, and then you've got tiny, tiny specks of red. And it's so soft. Oh my gosh. So the colorway is Weekend, and it's a luxury sock yarn. So it's 75% superwash merino, 10% cashmere, and 15% nylon. And it's a fingering weight yarn with 439 yards per skein. So with the sockcrate, you get 1 skein a month, and you get 1 pattern. So this is this month's pattern, which I think is really cute. And you get this wonderful, luxurious yarn and a pattern and shipping for $19.95. So that to me is a really, really great deal. Because if you go to your local yarn store or you buy from an indie dyer online, which I highly recommend, but it will be a little bit more expensive. I rarely see sock yarn of this quality for 20 bucks. So for $19.95 you get all of this, which I think is a very, very good deal. So yeah, that is my unboxing. This is a product that I like. I think that if you're okay with getting a surprise color of yarn every month, if you're not super picky, you'll be pleased with this. If you're really picky about colors and textures and things like that, this might not be the service for you because you can get a wide variety. For example, last month we got this really vibrant green, and this month you get this really toned down neutral. So it is fun because you don't really know what you're going to get, and they do have a theme, and I really, really like that. I think that's really fun. So if that's something you're interested in, I do have a coupon code for 20% off. You're welcome to use it if you want to. It's an affiliate link, just be aware of that. But no pressure. This is just showing you what Knitcrate is and telling you a little bit about it. So thanks for joining me on this unboxing. I hope you enjoyed it. There'll be a lot more videos and podcasts coming soon. So subscribe if that's your thing, and like if you're interested. Bye guys!